Hi friends, if you are a beginner to terrace gardening, so this video is going to help you how to prepare a soil for your garden. This is the 18 by 8 inch grow bag, 18 inches diameter and 8 inch height. This kind of grow bag well suitable to grow any type of leafy vegetables. Soil preparation will take very important role to set up your garden. To prepare the pot mixture, we need red soil, vermicompost, coco peat and a handful of neem cake. We can get all these in any nearby nurseries. Red soil, vermicompost, coco peat, we should mix these three in respective ratios. Like 40% red soil, 40% vermicompost and 20% coco peat. Either we can mix all these three in respective ratios separately and then put it into our pot, or add each in pot itself layer wise like we do in this video, and at the end mix it properly. At the end, take handful of neem cake and mix it properly with the soil. It helps to control the pest. Now our pot mixture is ready to sow any seed. Thank you guys for watching this video.